Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one good news that's coming up for those that are using OneDrive and that were actually having their photo app. Of course, with the synchronization of the pictures, Microsoft took a very bad move, and they were the only one that would do that. They were basically saying that if you put your pictures on OneDrive, and that your pictures are on your photo app and are synced to OneDrive from the photo app, that would count as two separate pictures, meaning you take 2 times more space for the pictures. And of course, that is a very dumb decision that they took there. And a lot of backlash. People were really going at it. And Microsoft, well, they do understand when it gets intense and people are just tired. They're backing off today, saying, no, okay, we're backing off. It's not going to happen. And so if you have your pictures in the picture folder, for example, they synchronize to the cloud. That's pretty much what I have. They're in my picture folder, synchronized to the cloud. Not all of them. A lot of them are cloud only right now, but, if I have them in my phone and they synchronize to the cloud, that means that they were counting as double because they were, in OneDrive in a separate folder, pictures, and photos would synchronize them, which would make that count double. So now that's not going to happen. So good news for all of you that are using the photo app. If you were kind of scared of maybe not having enough space for your pictures because of that change, well, it's not going to happen. So things are back to normal. Once again, showing that if enough people complain about some of the features and some of the things that Microsoft does, you know what? They back off. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.